I just did my deep conditioner for about an hour and wrapped it up in this towel. I've had this towel maybe 30-40 minutes just to get some of the excess water out. So let's see. My hair just feels so soft and moisturized, like it's nice. Any background noise you hear, I apologize. My kids just got in from school. Now we begin to prep the hair. For leave-in, we're gonna go in with my ApHogee Pro Vitamin leave-in conditioner. Just run my hands through. Okay, and the next leave-in I'm gonna use is this Batiste leave-in hair mask. This is a nice lightweight leave-in conditioner. Like, this is really good. I like to use this one when I'm doing like a blowout or something, any type of style where I don't want my hair to be super heavy and super weighed down, like, yet still very moisturized. The next product is this Shea Moisture grapeseed and tea tree oil leave-in detangler. Notice that it really helps detangle my hair, so, and it has a lot of slip, so that's really nice. You don't need a lot though. Start at the ends and work my way up. Yes, I am using quite a bit of product because I need my hair to be moisturized. And the next product is this OGX like moisture and repair serum. Also starting at the ends. I love that serum. It smells so good and it just feels so nice on your hair. And the last thing
stop it, get some help,
I'm gonna be adding to my hair is by this brand called OK. It's like a castor oil moisturizing hair lotion and a leave-in conditioner. Okay, we are all conditioned and moisturized up and ready to go. I got this jumbo pack of perm rods. It's a pack with a whole bunch of sizes, but I'm just gonna use the bigger ones because my hair is longer and I want this to dry by tomorrow, okay? I'm gonna use these orange ones and these purple ones. We'll start there and see. At the back, I'm gonna start at the back of my head. Honestly, I'm just finger parting because I am relaxed, and doing too much while your hair is wet can cause breakage. You know, a lot of body mousse. Looks so far. Do the other side. So I do have layers around the front of my hair. So I switched to these little tinier ones. So we'll see how it turns out. So you can see my layers. This is what it looks like. Ooh. I can't wait to see how this turns out in the morning. But before that, a few things. This is not as easy as it looks. It's definitely trial and error. But after like the first couple of perm rods, once you get them in there, you kind of get the hang of how you want to wrap it. Are so good. My roots are growing, that's okay. This is why we like heatless curls, because they can help hide the new growth, okay? So yeah, this is it. I think I'm actually gonna go over this with a blow dryer on like a low setting to make sure that this will be adequately dry for tomorrow. I do not want to mess this up, okay? If this does not dry properly, it's not gonna turn out right. So I think I'm gonna do that with a blow dryer. And yeah, because I did start with my hair pretty damp. I want to say maybe 50% dry. I did use small sections, so I think that will definitely help with it not taking like super long to dry. But yeah, just to be on the safe side, we're gonna get a blow dryer and go over this, because I do not want to mess this up. I just spent like 15-20 minutes trying to get this in right, and definitely got my blow dryer. This is just like a regular Conair, regular blow dryer. Okay everyone, so I'm back. It's the next day. I already started getting ready, face done, and all of that. So let's see how these perm rods turned out, okay? Yeah, fingers crossed. Wish me luck. Moment of truth. Just feeling if the top ones are dried. I think they are, but we'll find out. Okay, one down. Yeah, they're definitely dried, so that's good news. Oh yeah. Alright. Oh, look at this little curl. Always one also feels damp, so back up it goes. I look crazy. However, I have these three that are still a little bit on the damp side. It's not wet, but it's damp, which these parts of my hair, like the crown specifically, always takes the longest to dry. So I'm not surprised. But I will say, if this is a style, this is a style that is very time consuming. If, for example, you have an appointment the next morning, don't do the style the night before. I actually highly recommend sitting under a hair dryer, like a hooded hair dryer if you have one. I moved, so I had like the attachment piece, and I moved and I haven't been able to find it. Yeah, otherwise I would have sat underneath that hair dryer attachment for at least an hour. And like I said, I started with my hair probably 50 to 60% dry. But yeah, this is not a style that is kind of like set it in and then the next day you're good to go, kind of like my flexi rods. You know, I'm a flexi rod, like I'm a connoisseur. Okay, I'm a flexi rod connoisseur.
Okay.
That is my go-to. I get back out my blow dryer and see if I can dry it just a little bit more, and then I'll come back and fluff it and style it and see for my first time how I did with the perm rod set. So I will be right back. I just went over these ones again with my blow dryer. Hopefully that did something. Let's see. Okay. All right. Okay. And then of course, while I was blow drying, I realized that this one also is. Oh. Okay, so only one looks completely terrible. I'll let the separating process begin.
Oh!
Going in with some oil. Rubbing it in. Where should I start? Start here. This is cute. It's cute. It's cute. Okay, so it wasn't a complete fail. It gives you the cutest ringlet curls and so much volume. Now of course I can go in and pick it. This isn't bad for my first try. Round of applause. Now there definitely were some hiccups along the way, but I'm still happy. It's giving Shirley Temple. It's giving 85-year-old granny who thinks she's still young, but I like it. I'm definitely gonna be doing a perm rod set again, especially since like I know better now. Like I have a better idea of how to wrap it around the rod. Also to give myself more time for it to dry. Maybe instead of doing it on 50 to 60% dry hair, we'll do it to like 80 to 90. But I find the wetter your hair is, the longer the results last. That's just me. I'm not gonna pick it. I actually like it like this. I just hate this garbage piece right here, but this is cute. This style has great potential. Ladies, anywho's, thank you guys so much for stopping by and watching my video. If you like this video, definitely give me a thumbs up. Definitely go ahead and hit subscribe so I can keep making content for you. Yeah, thanks for watching.